Welcome to this tutorial on how to install WordPress on Plesk. If you've chosen Altisoft Software Solutions for your hosting needs, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps of installing WordPress. After logging into your Plesk control panel, look for the Applications or Apps option in the main menu. Now, select WordPress from the list of available applications and press Install. Plesk makes the installation process quick and straightforward. WordPress has been successfully installed on your server. You can now access the WordPress admin panel by press Login button and start building your website. Here, you will need to confirm that the email you used to log into your WordPress account is correct. Now that you are logged into your WordPress admin, you are ready to start designing your new website. That's it. If you have any questions, our support team will be happy to help you.